Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will introduce my first book, Advanced Applications of Fractional Differential Operators to Science and Technology. The publisher is IGI Global USA, and in the front of the screen we can see the book prices, including hardcover, ebook, or softcover. The description of this book is very it deals with this book deals with applications of fractional differential operators to science and technology. Also, this book is very interesting to students of applied mathematics, physics, engineering, and nonlinear science. The topics are covered but not limited to bifurcation control, case synchronization, chaotic dynamics, realization, ecological models, mechanical models, novel integration schemes, novel systems, secure communications, and so on. The editorial advisory board of this book are Professor, it can be shown here, Professor Syed Ahmed Rahmatullah Ali from Mansoura University, and Professor Samih Askar from King Saud University, Professor Ahmed Muhammad Syed from Alexandria University, Professor Gamal Mukhtar Mahmoud from Asyut University, Professor Ahmed Goma Radwan from Cairo University and Nile University, Professor Fathallah Rehan from UAE. These are the advisory board of this book. Also, the book contents includes 5 main sections. The 5 main sections are the first section is applications of fractional calculus to biological models. The second section and the first section includes the first 3 chapters. The second section is the chaotic dynamics of fractional order systems, and it includes the chapter 4, chapter 5, and chapter 6. The third section is applications of fractional derivatives to physics, and it includes 4 chapters, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The fourth section, new trends in applied mathematics using the fractional calculus. So it includes chapter 11, chapter 12, chapter 13. The last section in this book is applications of fractional calculus to engineering, which includes the last 2 chapters, chapter 14 and chapter 15. If we have a look to the authors of each chapter, chapter 1 is by Professor Syed Ahmed Rahmatullah Ali and me. We studied a model of antimicrobial resistance, which is show resistance to antibiotics using the fractional derivatives. Chapter 2 by Professor Georgi Maria Silva and Professor Jan Giraj. They studied a discretized fractional order model of a prey predator system. In chapter 3 by Professor Dr. Ismail Gad Amin and Dr. Haggagi Muhammad Ali, and they studied applications of fractional optimal control problems on some mathematical bioscience. In section 2, the chapter 4, 5, and 6 studied the applications of fractional order systems to chaos theory. The chapter 4 by me, I introduce chapter 4 by Dr. Sana Musa Salman and Professor Ahmed Said. Chapter 5 by me, and I introduced a novel hyperchaotic system, the so-called Matuk hyperchaotic system, and I showed the influence of fractional derivative to hyperchaotic systems. In chapter 6, Dr. Sanjay Kumar and his co-author studied synchronization to fractional order hyperchaotic finance system using sliding mode control. Section 3 studied application of fractional derivative to physics, which includes the chapters 7, 8, 9, and 10. In section 4, there is the application to fractional calculus to applied mathematics. So these are new trends in applied mathematics. In chapter 11, Dr. Athar Qayyum and Dr. Muhammad Shuaib studied the generalized fractional Ostrovsky type inequality involving Riemann-Liouville fractional integration. In chapter 11, 12, Dr. Muhammad Surur Abdul Latif and Dr. Abbas Hassan Abdul Qadir studied the invariant subspace method for solving fractional partial differential equations. In chapter 13, Dr. Faisal bin Adda studied the apparent measure integral of real order and the relative dimension. In the last section of this book, it is applications of fractional calculus to engineering, and it includes the last two chapters, chapter 14 and chapter 15 as shown here. Also, this book is available on Amazon via this link and can be bought with these prices from Amazon, and it can be shipped in 2 days. Hopefully, this information are interesting to students of applied mathematics, physics, nonlinear science, engineering, and all the related topics. And thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.